How to get a chicken spawner in Minecraft. So first what you will need is just simply open up your command line, then just type in give, then your player name. After that, just type in spawner just like so. Then just type tap in on enter. After that, you will now have this monster spawner right here. Or you simply need to place it on the ground. So make sure that you're on a place where chicken usually spawns. So we're on a village right here. So just simply place the spawner on the ground. Now get your chicken egg right here. The chicken spawn egg and place it inside the spawner. So right click on it. And as you can see, just like that, you just need to wait for the chicken to spawn. So this spawner spawns will spawn unlimited chickens. You simply need to wait till it spawns right there. So we're gonna wait for this to actually spawn a chicken, and as you can see, it now spawned the chicken just like that. And you just need to wait for some time again so that it will spawn another one. But that's how you basically get a chicken spawner in Minecraft.